Hi guys, so guys, when I had done a small general guidance for health few days back, I had said I will be getting a detailed health reading for the same, and in this video we will be seeing that reading. So let's start. So your first card, guys, will be what is your current health status or how it is. Second card will be past issues that are affecting the present. Your third card will be how can you improve your health? Actions that need to be taken to improve health. Immediate changes that can improve your health. Like current state of mind in relationship with your physical health. That's the most important thing. What path you need to take to start feeling better. And after doing all this or whatsoever, what will be the outcome? So now let's start. So our first card, your current health status. Okay, so with this card, it is at a pause. I mean you are feeling maybe that, like, it's neither going back, it's neither going forward, it is at the pause. I would say, like, it's not giving you any as such, maybe, uh, messages or so. Like, maybe you're not, maybe I don't know why I'm getting this, but maybe you're not feeling that connected. Like, if you're trying to acknowledge your health, you're not understanding maybe, and that is why this pause. Like, I'm not understanding anything what's happening with my health, whereas these people around you, they are, I guess, trying to tell you something, that maybe, like, uh, please take care, or so. Maybe you're not understanding, maybe you're too much involved. Looking at this pentacle card, you're too much involved maybe in your work. This is also what I'm feeling, and these people around you, they're telling you that please take care of your health, you're overdoing or so. Like, that is why you're not feeling anything about your health, you're not understanding now that what's exactly happening or so. That's the thing. You're too much into your work, or maybe you're trying to show like that. I don't know why I'm getting this. And these people around you, they know they are, that is why they are pleading, please take care of your health. That's the thing. Let's see any past issues that is affecting you. Okay, so there it was a past issue. So there wasn't an equal give and take in some connection or a relation, that is still affecting you at present. Emotional thing is there, and that is why, to run away from that, maybe you're more and more focusing on money. And this is a very usual thing, that when emotionally we get hurt, we try to focus a lot on money. And this is what I'm seeing this, like, there wasn't equal give and take. This is what I'm seeing, that you gave someone such a big cup, and that someone was holding such a small cup. This is what I'm seeing it. So let's see our next message, how you can improve your health. Okay, I hope this doesn't give age restriction, because there is nothing as such, but still fine, I'll hold it here. So what, how you can improve your health is, maybe those memories are triggering you or so, but you have to fight it. This is what I would say. Maybe you may feel that I cannot do, like, I'm done. I cannot, like, fight your emotion. Like, emotionally you are drained out. This is what I would say. I don't know why I'm feeling this, but I feel so. But you have to give that fight. Even if you feel that no, I am not able to do anything, or you need to give the fight. And another thing, I don't know, I'm channelizing here is that this situation is maybe over for you, it's no more for you, but still you are again and again trying, again and again focusing on that, not focus as such, but again and again trying to maybe expect from that person that that person will improve and they will give back what you deserved or so. And so this is also what I'm sensing over here. Else you need to give a fight, you have to wake up and move forward. That's the thing. This person had came into your life to give you a lesson. That's the thing. So if you are expecting again, then please don't do that. So actions that you can take to improve your health. Oh, okay. So if you are consulting any uh, so-called counselor, advisor, spiritual guide, here it seems to be a spiritual guide, be very careful that whatever guidance, whatever they are telling, like, is it even true? Like, you should see if you can resonate it with your life or not, because whatever someone is guiding you, that someone need not be necessary, it is only a spiritual guide, but that person is showing that they are very much experienced, they know a lot of stuff, this and that. But see, just look at their face, guys. Because of this, you are affecting yourself a lot. Maybe you are taking guidances on that person also. I don't know why this is coming. Or maybe if someone known to you, so like someone mutual between you, you are asking that this person about this person, and that person is this person is purposely telling you all lies which is affecting you a lot more. That's the thing. So please stop asking uh, this person about this one, or stop taking guidances. Yes, I would say that only. Please stop taking guidances on this person, like what's happening in their life and all. Are they missing you, this and that? Please, because someone is misguiding you. This is a clear message, and this is affecting more emotionally to you. And let me tell you one thing, guys, pretty frankly, if our emotions are not in control, if they are not balanced, if they are not stable, it directly affects our mind. So please, please, please consider it. Okay. Immediate change is what you can do to improve your health. Let's see. Okay. See, you first of all, you have immense infinite power within you. Please recognize that. Look into the mirror. You have that immense power within you, and you have to be your own manifester, that you have to come out of it knowing the good and bad. Please come out of it, move forward, make a life for you. This is what I would say. Like, this card is a reminder to you that you are your own magician, you are your own manifestor, you are the own magician of your life. Always remember that. This is what you need to do. That immediate changes, only this can help you to improve your health, and this will start all from mind. Remember that everything starts from mind, it is said, no? So please do consider it, considering all the pros and cons, move forward. That's the thing. Or else, you know the pros and cons, still I don't know where you are stuck. You're stuck here, I guess, because of all this. So please come out of it, move forward. Okay. Like, you need to make that firm decision. No, I have to move forward, I have to improve my health, my emotional health, or whatsoever it is. Okay. Beautiful card. So let's see our next card, which says, what is your current state of mind in relation with your physical health? Okay, great card. So you are coming up to an energy where now you are open. Guys, you know one thing, I didn't understand that this pause button got pressed over here, and I did the full reading of the next two cards, and then I saw there is a pause button when I was about to end the video. So making another one, I stopped. So beautiful energy somewhere, that you were confused, you were not understanding, you were not able to come out of this situation of from this person and all, and especially this person who was misleading you, who is misguiding you, and now you have decided to open your blindfold, because maybe you came up to a clarity, or you will come up to a clarity maybe after watching this video, that this is only affecting our health, it is only affecting your emotions and your mental state of mind. Beautiful presence of sun over here. It's giving me a beautiful one, that positive energy. This is a positive energy. And now, and especially this is a swords card, which is all related to mind and all. And this card especially came your current state of mind with relation of your with your physical health. Beautiful card. Please go forward. This is what I would say. Let's see which path you can choose to feel better. Oh wow. Ace of Wands and the presence of sunflowers. So guys, I would like to say over here is connect with nature. This is what I would say. With the presence of this flower and this greenery, this is what I would say. Do grounding if you know how to do grounding. Else you have a lot of guided meditations related to grounding. You can go into the nature and do grounded with barefooted if it is safe for you, because in this summers a lot of reptiles and creatures, they come out because of this heat. Okay, so very careful if you are doing grounding with barefooted in the garden area also. Okay, or else by sitting at home also you can do grounding meditations, imagining that you are in nature, walking barefooted, or you are a tree, roots of your like though the roots of that tree, they are getting connected with the mother earth. These meditations also help a lot. You can do chanting of mantras, chakra meditation. There is a lot of thing, but mostly what I am feeling is go on a vacation if possible for you, where there is greenery. If somewhere at north places, if it is cold, you can go there, or wherever you reside. If it is cold and you like cold places, go there. It will help you to heal a lot, come out of that situation. So now last final card, we'll see that, like, what will be the outcome. Okay, okay. So yes, I do see at least in some or the other way you will be improving a lot. This is what I'm seeing over here. The presence of this black color and this person and this fallen cups and all, like, what I'm feeling over here is, that your wishes, your wish, I really don't know what your wish is, but if some of you really wish to come out of this situation, like, fine, this situation maybe is over for you. Okay, but you wanted to come out of those memories and all, in some percent at least you will come out of it. I'm seeing, like, literally that, uh, you know in some percent you will come out of it. Surely you will come out of it. Consider this is as your past energy. Okay, and now you are in this energy. When you go accept this, when you work on yourself, consider it slowly and gradually, this black color will also turn into yellow color, full of positivity. Okay, but you're coming out of that past energy. At least you will be working on yourself. This is what I'm seeing. Like, you won't be stuck in this, black, negative, and all this energy. This is what I would say. You will win. This is what I'm seeing over here. Beautiful card, beautiful message. So, guys, if you have understood the reading, if it really helped you, then please let me know in the comments. Put a like. I will get to know about it, because for the first time I did this reading. Okay, so thank you.